Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure of the coccyx bone. This bone is also known more commonly as the tailbone. The coccyx bone is located at the base of the spine in the posterior pelvic region of the body. If we look more closely at the pelvic bones from the anterior view, the coccyx can be found highlighted in red. If we now look at the posterior view, we can see the coccyx more clearly highlighted in red. Now we're going to look at the different landmarks and features of the coccyx bone. Here we have the anterior view and the posterior view of the coccyx bone. This bone is triangular in shape and is often asymmetrical. It is formed by the fusion of 3 to 5 vertebrae. The first region of the coccyx bone is the base. The base is the superior part of this bone. The base has an oval facet on it for articulation with the sacrum bone. The second region of this bone is the apex. The apex is the inferior rounded part of the bone. In addition to the base and apex, this bone has 4 surfaces. The first of these surfaces is the anterior surface. This surface is concave in shape. This surface also has several transverse grooves where the vertebrae have fused. The second surface is the posterior surface. This surface is convex in shape. Like the anterior surface, it also has a series of transverse grooves that mark the points where the vertebrae have fused. This surface also has a vertical row of tubercles on them known as the coccygeal cornua. The final surfaces of this bone are the 2 lateral surfaces, sometimes referred to as the lateral borders. The lateral surface has a series of small protrusions which are actually rudimentary transverse processes. The superior one is the most prominent of these rudimentary transverse processes, with them getting smaller with each segment of the bone to the point there isn't much by the last segment. Now we are going to take a closer look at the bones the coccyx bone articulates with. This bone only articulates with one other bone, the sacrum bone. The oval facet on the base of the coccyx bone articulates with the oval facet on the apex of the sacrum bone. This articulation forms the sacrococcygeal joint. What about the muscles that attach to this bone? There are 3 muscles that attach to this bone. A portion of the coccygeus muscle inserts onto the anterior portion of the lateral sides of this bone. A small portion of the gluteus maximus muscle originates from the posterior portion of the lateral sides of this bone. The levator ani muscle group inserts onto the end of this bone.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.